Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you are good. Happy New Year to all of you guys. Um, Good luck for 2021. And yeah, we are back with our new editorial. And today's editorial is from Codeforces round 695. It is basically Div 2 contest, ready for Div 2. And we are discussing problem of this contest. The name of the problem is Wizard of Oz, ORZ, basically. So let me move on to the problem statement, guys. What the problem statement says us is that we are given n digital panels and each of the panel has a value between 0 and 9. Okay, so each panel will have a value between 0 and 9. And okay, and initially all the panels are having value 0. Okay, and after 1 second or every second, the value of each panel increases by 1. So suppose all the panels are at 0. So after 1 second, all the panels will increase by 1. So they will be uh, 1. Okay. And after 2 seconds, they will be 2. After 3 seconds, they will be 3 and so on. But after 9 seconds, at 9 seconds, they will be 9. And at 10th second, they will go to 1. Sorry, 0. Okay, after 10 second, after 10 at the 10th second they will go to 0 because they cannot be 1. Okay, so basically at after after as many as second they will be more by 10. Okay, so yeah, this much is the first second till second pair two paragraphs. And after that, at the third paragraph they tell us that we can stop a panel. Okay, we can stop one and only panel. Okay, and if we stop the panel, then the two of its adjacent panel will stop after 1 second, and the panel next to its adjacent panel will stop after 2 seconds. Okay, so this is the pronoun statement. Let me tell you it in more familiar way. So uh, suppose these three are a panel and we stop them at after 2 seconds. Okay, and for the instance, suppose we stop the first panel. Okay, this panel, and after stopping this panel, what will happen is um, this panel will stop at 2. Okay, but this panel, the next to it panel, will stop after 1 second. Okay, so it will increase by 1. So basically what we'll do, we'll plus 1 to it, because after 1 second here it is told that each second, um, where it is written, yeah, increases by 1. Okay, every second they increases by 1. So suppose we stop it by at 2, so after 1 second it will be 3 because it will increase by 1. And at this position, okay, at this position it will go after 1 second more. Suppose the time was 2 seconds here, so it will take 1 second to go till here and one more second to go till here. So at most total it will take 2 seconds to go till here from here. Okay, from here it will take 2 seconds to go till here. So our final numbers at the panels will be, it will be 2 because we stop at 2. Okay, sorry for that. Yeah, it will be 2 because we stop at 2. It will be what, 2 plus 1, because after 1 second it will go there. Okay, and this one will be 2 plus 2, which will be 4 because 2 is the initial, and plus 2 will be because it will go after 2 seconds. Okay, so after 2 seconds, if we see the panel would be like this. And if we stop this much, this one, okay, this was the case for the this first. This will be our result if we stop the panel of if we stop the first panel. Okay, let's see the result what will be for the second panel. So let me delete this. Oh, yeah. Okay, so if we stop this panel, guys, okay, Suppose if we stop this panel, so at this panel it will we go after 1 second, so +1, and at this panel, okay, it will go after 1 second only. Why? Because because it will go after 1 second only because it is adjacent to it. We are stopping this one, not this one. We are stopping this one, so these both are adjacent to it with one difference, so we will add 1 to it also. So at choosing second panel, it will go 3 because it will increase by 1. It will be 2 only, and it will be 3 after increasing 1. So hope you guys got the problem statement, that what the problem statement is telling. We could there are n panels. In this case there are 3. Okay, there are 3 panels, 2 2 2. There are 3 panels. Initially they are 0, but you can stop them at at what second you want. Okay, so you can take any number, but all the panels will be that number only. Suppose you take 3, so you cannot take like you take first 3, then second 4, then like this. No, you can take 3 as whole array 3. Okay, and after that, taking the choosing one number, you can choose one panel to stop it. Okay, you can choose one panel and stop it at that point, and all the adjacent point will go after 1 second, so they will increase by 1, and the next adjacent will increase by 2, and next 3, like this. Okay, so this much is the problem statement. And what the problem asking is, what is the maximum that we can make out of this panel, the number that we can make. So initially it was 222. Okay, and after choosing, so guys, one thing I should more tell you, that it is compulsory to choose. We cannot leave the array as 222. It is compulsory to choose an element. So the maximum that we can make is, suppose we stop the so this is not the initial array. So suppose the n, we are given an n which is 3, and we can choose any of these 3. So let me choose 3. So what we can choose is, we can choose as 888. Okay, this is the answer. How we will calculate the answer, I am telling that, guys. Okay, so suppose we choose 8 8 and 8. Okay, and we stop the second panel, and we stop the second panel, then this panel will be increased by 1. Okay, which will be 9. Okay, and this panel will also be increased by 1, which will be also 9, and this will be 8 only. So 8 and then 9. So the answer for 3 should be 989. 989. This should be the answer that we should print. Okay, then why we are choosing 8 only, and then why we are making it 9 and this 9? We are choosing 8, guys, because the first element of the number, okay, that we should use is 9. Okay, so yeah, we need to choose the maximum number that we can make at the first, that will be 9, and yeah, and rest other. So how we can make this 9? We can make this 9 if we choose this element at 9, or if we choose this element at 8. Okay, so we can choose this element at 8, then we can make this 9 as well as this 9 also. Okay, and yeah, so suppose in other case, the other case could be, suppose there are 3 elements, 9 9 and 9. We choose and we stop this one. Okay, we stop this one. So at here it will take 1 second, and at here it will take 2 seconds. So 9, this will be 9 only, and sorry guys, yeah, and at this it will become 0, because 9 plus 1 will be 10, and 10 more 10 will be 0, and this will be 1. Okay, so we cannot do this. Okay, we cannot do this or choose this, because this is always less than, oh sorry, yeah, this is less than this. So this should be our answer. We need to bring the maximum. So this much is the logic, and let me show you the code for this problem, guys. So here is the code, really simple. We will take an integer n, then we will run a for loop from 0 to n, and each time we will print the 8 plus the absolute value of I minus 1. Okay, mod 10 because if it is if n is greater than 9, okay, then we need to mod 10 it. So let me tell what it will do. At first, suppose n is equals to 4. Okay, so from 0 till I is equals to 0 till less than 4. Okay, n is equals to 4, suppose. Then what it will do is it will go till here, and I is equals to 0. Then it will do print 8 plus absolute value of 0, because first time I will be 0, I minus 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 will be minus 1, and absoluting it will be 1. So it will print 1, 8 plus 1, which will be 9. And yeah, after that it will print 8 plus 0. Okay, because I will be incremented. So 8 plus 0, it will print 8. Okay, and yeah, like this. Then it will print 8 minus 8 plus 8 plus 1. Okay, yeah, like this it will printing 980 98901 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, like this. Okay, so I think this will be the smallest code for this problem you have ever seen, because yeah, because this is the smallest code, just one for loop and one line inside the for loop. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, hit the like button and share, subscribe to the channel. I will be posting the solution for the other problem of also of this contest. So till then, keep watching.